In this video, I want to show you how you can reinvest your dividends inside of Webull. Now keep in mind, for some reason, only some accounts this will work on. So if you're using Apex or something, it might not work, but just try and see how to do it. So there are two different ways that you can try, and just try both of them. So the first one is open up the app, go to your account and select your account details. Inside of there, look for a dividend reinvestment. Now, if you can find it from in there, then that's perfect, and just try and enable it from in there. If this one doesn't work, go to your account's overview, click in the top right corner on the little settings. This should take you to a list of all your accounts that has additional options, and from in there you should be able to click on dividend reinvestment program inside of that account. Now, like I said, if you don't see these options, it's probably because you're using an account that does not have access to the dividend reinvestment program. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you need any help, you can contact the Webull support and ask them why you cannot see it, and they should be able to tell you more clearly. Now, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.